Everyone, welcome back to Random Tasks. Random little job here. The Saab emblem on the bonnet or hood of my car needs to be replaced. So the old kind of decal just kind of flaked off. So it's a very common problem in these older Saabs. So just get a plastic pry tool and, oh, that was easier than expected. So normally there's a couple of studs that go through here into these holes. These have actually broken off. So it's good. So I'm gonna clean that up. I've got a new badge and we'll stick it on. Okay, use a bit of Goo Gone and rubbing alcohol to clean that up. I've got the new badge here. You can see this has these studs on the back. I added the double-sided tape just because I figured that could only help. So simply just place it in, press down, and job done. Short video today. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.